guys, welcome back. This is One Take Life. So today is Saturday basically, and I thought why not shoot it. So this is pretty much gonna be like a weekend in my life.
Okay.
Disclaimer that this is nothing gonna be exciting because मेरे पास कुछ है ही नहीं करने के लिए. So this is pretty much gonna be a chill vibe, relax and soothing weekend. So if you wanna watch and if you wanna know me better, just stay tuned. So basically for the breakfast we are recycling our dinner. तो हम बनाएंगे रोटी वाला पोहा. If you have not heard, surprise होने वाली कोई बात नहीं है. This is the breakfast. This is one of the breakfasts that I've been eating all my childhood, and I'm gonna tell you what is roti wala poha. So basically आपकी जो रात की रोटी बच जाती है उसको आप मिक्सर ग्राइंडर में छोटा छोटा कर लेते हो. जब वो छोटा छोटा हो जाता है basically उसके बाद आप just exactly like how you make poha, you instead of poha you add that
अबे जल्दी बोल.
grinded roti. So this is our रात की बची हुई रोटी and then we're gonna grind it first. Okay, so I've successfully made the roti wala poha, and for the lunch and dinner I have to pre-soak some of the ingredients so that by the time I make it, it is all ready. So for lunch I'm going to be making moong dal ka chila. So uske liye I have soaked moong dal. Okay, so it's around 2 or 2:30 right now. We will be grinding moong dal and we'll be making moong dal chila. Okay, so I have tied up my hair because it's really sweaty, as you can see on my face. It's really hot. So anyway, so basically we are making chutney for chila, and because that has to be there and it should be chatpati.
Nice.
So the chutney that I'm gonna teach you today is the most bachelor friendly chutney, and you can pair it with paratha, chawal, chila, whatever you want to do. And it just takes 3 ingredients and a mixer grinder, and if you do not have, you can use that वो छोटा chopper वाला machine जो usual household में होता है. Abhi, I was thinking let's do art journaling. I've been doing it for quite a long time, but मेरे को टाइम नहीं मिला था करने का, so I thought why not do it. And basically it's like a kit, and I'll give you a full haul what it looks like.
Basically today's vibe was that I really want to open my cafe or eatery, and this was basically on that where you dream of having something you really like, and that's why the messaging कुछ dream से related था. So I added few eatery items, few dream and manifestation से related चीज़ें I have put, and I think it turned out pretty nice. You should also try if you want to try something very cheap and therapeutic. मेरे पास थेरेपी के नाम पे सिर्फ यही है. I think it turned out pretty well. So if you really want to do something sasta therapy, I would really recommend that you do craft journaling. I don't know if you really like some other things as well, but if you are into craft and art and something like that, then you should really try this art journaling scrapbook thing. I would really recommend. If you really want a link of this thing, you just let me know in the comments. I'll provide you the link.
A few moments later.
Okay, by the way, I really want to show how pretty the sky looks today. It's so blue and my balcony view is सोने पे सुहागा. So I'll just show you. So it's around 7 and I'm having मैंगो खाने का कोई टाइम थोड़ी ना होता है.
Okay.
1 hour later.
Okay, so right now we will be cooking dinner. Not dinner exactly. It's a salad and I just have to boil rajma and सब mix करना है. So basically it's gonna be like rajma salad. I think pretty much the day is over and I will just have my dinner. I'll post the clips of the shoot that I'll be doing and then probably I'll again scroll reels and then I'll pass out.
The next day.
Good morning everyone. Today is Sunday. I have woken up. I mean I woke up half an hour ago, but it's around 12:30ish. I was doom scrolling all night.
तुझे थकान नहीं लग रही क्या?
And by the time I slept it was quite late, so obviously for today we are currently making our breakfast and breakfast के लिए I think we don't have to do much because we already had chila batter from yesterday, so I'll just make that. Post that I guess I will be reviewing a hair mask that I bought from Zudio recently because after from the Pondicherry trip my hair has become so frizzy and difficult to manage. So previously I was thinking of getting a hair mask, so not hair mask, hair spa, but I went to Zudio last week I guess and then I found a hair mask that they were selling at a really cheap price, so I was like why not, save money. So I have applied the hair mask. Abhi currently it is tied up. Basically I have to keep it for 10 to 15 minutes and after reading the description मैंने इसको damp hair पे लगाया है. अभी we will just keep it for 10 to 15 minutes and then we'll take a shower and उसके बाद we'll see because मुझे ना इससे बहुत उम्मीद है क्योंकि जब मैं इसको लगा रही थी it was feeling really silky smooth and hope it does it to my hair as well. So I don't know how it will turn out.
1 hour later.
Okay, so I have rinsed off the hair mask and it feels pretty soft abhi tak and I think for the first time it is pretty good, but I'm giving it a benefit of doubt कि अगर मैं इसको 3-4 बार और यूज़ करूँगी तो it will get better and it will get more smooth, but for the first time it's a thumbs up for me. If you want to try it you can, just 100 रुपए का है. And now I don't think I will be preparing my lunch because my breakfast was so heavy. Not so heavy but मैंने 3 चले ठूस लिए थे. So of course I'm not hungry right now. Okay, so I have found this clay pot and इसमें basically पायसम आया था कहीं से and I was thinking why not make it a kitchen accessory, so I will paint it and make it beautiful. Also I am making quick pasta because I know you might be thinking मैंने इससे पहले बोला था कि मुझे भूख नहीं लगेगी but मेरे पापी पेट को भूख लग चुकी है.
झूठ बोलो, बार बार झूठ बोलो.
So I am making a quick pasta and then I'll eat it, then I will paint and then I'll show you how it turned out. So my painting session is done. I guess I'll have अभी डिनर में मैं सोच रही हूँ कि बहुत ही सिंपल बनाने का, मे बी लाइक दाल चावल and all of that, very simple, very fulfilling and comforting. And then I will just add clips of here and there and call it a day. And yes, I will meet you in the next vlog.
Soft strums of the warm acoustic guitar blend with the gentle sound of the waves crashing against the shore. A serene